Hello, everyone, welcome. Today we will discuss the age of technology. This is the gadget era. Gadgets rule everywhere. Everyone has at least one gadget. Mobile phone never leave our hands. Tablets and laptops are always with us. Gadgets have transformed our lives. Technology is part of everything we do. Education is also influenced by gadgets. Online classes are now common. Gadgets have made education easier. Communication methods have changed. Now it's not just calls, it's video calls. Every family member stays connected. Social media has bridged distances. Everyone is online all the time. Office work is done online too. Trend of working from home has increased. Gadgets have made work easier. Business has gone digital too. Online shopping is a rising trend. Banking is also online now. Sending and receiving money is done via gadgets. Health monitoring is also done by gadgets. Smart watches look after our health. Fitness tracking gadgets have helped with health. Gadgets play a role in entertainment too. Gadgets are part of our daily lives. We find ease in our work, education, and knowledge access easier, but there are some drawbacks. Constant gadgets use is not good for health. It affects our eyes. We exercise less. Physical activities have decreased. Social skills are also weakening. Children are becoming screen dependent. Using screen late at night harms health. We waste our time. Gadget overuse is making us distant. Family time is decreasing. Privacy and security are also concerns. Personal data is often misused. Every app accesses data. Hackers are also active. Yet gadgets are a part of our lives. Living without them is difficult. Maintaining a balance is essential. We should set time for everything. We should take advantage of technology. Keep gadgets only for essential needs. Make life productive. Gain knowledge, not waste time. Positive use can improve our lives. Gadgets can help us progress. They can become tools for learning. Smart use can make us successful in this era. This is the gadget era. A revolution is in our hands. Thanks for watching our video.